So hello everyone, I'm here with my friend and Java champion, Professor Isidro. And
Hi,
Professor,
Luiz.
just to contextualize, developers never seem to get tired of asking whether AI will take their jobs. And since you are the person that always says that fundamentals is a tool for the developer, my question for you is, how important are the fundamentals for the developer in the age of AI?
Great. That's a good question, Luis, because I think it couldn't ever be more important to have a solid fundamental in the age of AI, in the AI era. Why? What do we have? Let's understand our scenario. AI helps you to develop your software, but I think the development process is, I'll make some a strong word, but it's the easiest part of the whole software lifecycle.
Mm-hmm.
Why? We have good practices, we have frameworks, we have tools, we have procedures of how to build good software. Okay, or how to properly build a stable software, a good software, a software with quality, right?
Okay.
For example, you have TDD, you have BDD, you have dependency injection, inversion of context, and anything. Okay, this part can be supported by AI, yes. But when your software starts to crash, when it's released, so the problems with our software start to appear when our software is released. Bugs, database overload, cybersecurity issues, invasions, users that don't know how to use properly our software.
You don't know how to scale.
You don't scale problems and which kind of scale performance problems. So in this case, we will need more capable developers to work with hard problems.
Yeah.
So when we use AI for our easiest part, and to accelerate this process, that is from the requirements to software release. Okay, when our software is released, all the unpredictable problems start to appear.
Yeah.
And we will need more developers with fundamentals, because when you have fundamentals, a solid fundamental, when you know better object orientation, good best practices, distributed systems, operating systems, you will see this kind of problems and you will identify which kind of tool you can ask for an AI to perform to you. But you have to know how a software is developed, how the whole environment works together from your application layer to your hardware layer to support your application execution. Mm-hmm. So it's important to have fundamentals on computer science on the AI era. Yes, more than ever.
Nice. And do you think context engineering and spec-driven development is the way for you to use these fundamentals since the beginning of prompting the AI to create the software for you?
It will help you, it accelerates your process, but I think the main point, you have to know what you ask and what the AI gives to you. Mm-hmm. For example, in the beginning, we asked to AI to review our code. Now it's better for us review the AI generated code. I'm going to tell an example. I have a student on an MBA program, on business program, and she's a doctor. Okay, she's a doctor, and she needed a software to organize, to manage her clinic. Okay. She paid for the best Cloud Code plan. I think she spent $100 a month, and she started specification and designing and implementation of her software. Her software, for example, manages all patients, sends WhatsApp message to them to remember, to make reminders, manages a CRM, and it works perfectly. But I asked her, what do you know about the AI gave to you? She told me nothing. It's like a black box, and was supposed to bright red light. Okay, it's on. Okay, it's power on. Or if I press another button, bright green light, and it's okay. But how it was made, you don't know.
She doesn't have a clue on how it works, but it is working. It is helping her with her problem.
Yes, it supports her problem, but it works only for her, but it's not released yet. Mm-hmm. Which kind of problems she will have when this software will be officially released? I think she's going to have lots of problems. Yeah. And that's the main important thing. If she wants to make this software become a product, she will need a technical staff.
So we always have this figure of software engineering helping out, even with AI, building the most part of it.
Talking to entrepreneurs, I think this kind of opinion is each day more based on facts, because they know entrepreneurs, startuppers, and non-technical people can prototype their MVP, right? But those MVP will not become real software without the support of a software engineer. Yeah. They need a software engineer to handle difficult problems. Mm-hmm. And those software engineers will have to know a lot of computer science.
Nice. So the last question, how these software engineers can learn fundamentals, thinking about this new scenario we have?
I think we would never been so supported to have one thing. For example, my students always asked me, "Oh, professor, why do I have to study stack or queue or lists or trees?" And it was very difficult to give examples of real life applications, or for example, on a web application, how can I invert a B tree? It's very difficult. Mm-hmm. When we are studying with AI, you can ask to your LLM, "Oh, okay, my scenario, my context is, for example, I'm a computer science student, and I'm studying data structures, but I'm still interested on web development. Okay, how can you give me examples of applications that can join those subjects?" We have lots of different, we have a huge amount of examples that help you to understand the importance of studying this kind of subjects. And I think we would never be ever on our mankind so with this amount of available material, you know. And if you are a student, use this to increase your tools of how to use the fundamentals you are studying.
That's very interesting, because we were in the information era.
Yeah.
And now we can organize this information using AI. So if we use it in a smart way, we can use it to learn things better.
You
right?
can look to have your super brain, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's our second brain. It's a tool that AI today is a tool to ask almost everything and have an instant answer.
And the important thing is using as a second brain, not your first.
No, a second.
Continue using your brain.
Yes, continue using your brain as your main brain, you know, but what you don't know how to apply some kind of knowledge, ask your AI to give you examples. Because when we started studying, we take too long to understand why stacks were important, why linked lists were important, why trees and B trees were important. It takes too long. This kind of time is going to decrease a lot.
Nice. Yeah, so thank you so much. Amazing conversation.
Oh, that's my honor.
And my name is Luiz Real, and this was me asking a Java champion. See you in the next video, and cheers!
Cheers!
And now to the barbecue. See you, bye-bye.